In this video, we'll demonstrate how to effectively utilize the Canva Magic Eraser tool to edit your photos. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Sometimes we need to remove unwanted elements from an image. But ever wondered how to do that without much time and effort, and without affecting the rest of the image? Let's show you. To get started, you'll need to upload the photo you want to edit. Suppose you have a picture with an unwanted photobomber in the background. Make sure you have the necessary rights to edit and use this image, especially if you plan to share it anywhere. Once your photo is loaded, locate the Magic Eraser tool in the Canvas editor. This powerful tool allows you to easily remove unwanted objects from your image. You can adjust the brush size to fit the area you want to erase, making it more precise. Carefully use the Magic Eraser tool to highlight the unwanted object in your photo. Ensure you cover the entire object as accurately as possible. Take your time with this step, as precision will result in a cleaner edit. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. After you've highlighted the object, release the mouse key. The Canvas Magic Eraser tool will work its magic, and after a moment, the unwanted element will disappear, leaving your photo looking pristine. Now that the photobomber is gone, it's time to save your edited photo. Look for the Save or Download option within the Canvas editor and save the image to your computer. Congratulations! You've successfully removed the unwanted object from your photo using the Canvas Magic Eraser tool. Take a moment to admire your edited masterpiece, which is now free from distractions. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to use the Canvas Magic Eraser tool to enhance your photos. Remember to use this feature responsibly and respect copyright laws when editing and sharing images online. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.